Welcome to my channel, Crystal here. Today I would like to share one of the easiest bread recipe, banana bread. Soft, moist, with a crunchy and sweeter top layer, a super healthy bread to make at home. Eat on its own or pair with some herbal tea. It is a perfect snack food to enjoy with your family and friends. Now let's dive right in to make this tasty banana bread. For this banana bread recipe, you need 3 ripe bananas. This banana was bought a few days ago. You can see the skin turned to brown. My kids normally won't eat it because it does not look pretty and the inside is a little mushy. They would choose the other one, which was bought yesterday. But for the banana bread, the riper, the better. So don't toss away the bad-looking ones. They're perfect for baking. Peel the skin and put the bananas in a bowl. I like to use my potato masher to mash the bananas. Eight tablespoons butter. Melt it in the microwave on high power for 50 seconds. Then pour into the mashed bananas. Crack 2 eggs in the bowl. Add half cup of sugar. Mix the ingredients together. Then add 2 cups of all-purpose flour. 1 teaspoon of salt and 1 teaspoon of baking soda. I also like to add 1/4 cup of dry milk to make my banana bread softer and moister. Mix until you can't see any dry flour. Preheat the oven to 350 Fahrenheit. While waiting, take half cup of walnuts or other nuts of your choice. Roughly cut the nuts to smaller pieces. Spray cooking oil into the standard 9x5 loaf pan, then wipe out the extra oil. Scoop the batter into the loaf pan. Smooth out the top. Sprinkle the walnuts in. Then press down the nuts into the batter to avoid the nuts overburn. I also like to sprinkle some brown sugar on top. The nuts and the sugar at the top layer will create a different texture and taste from the bottom, which makes your banana bread stand out. Cover the pan with foil to lock in the moisture of the bread. When the oven is ready, bake for an hour. While waiting, I poured myself a cup of herbal tea. Also took a short walk to enjoy the beautiful weather outside. When the time is up, check on the bread. Insert a toothpick in the center of the bread. If it comes out clean, the bread is ready. Take the pan out and flip on the board to dump the bread out. Cut into slices, and it's ready to serve. Have a sip of warm tea and a bite of freshly made banana bread. Enjoy the healthy food and a peaceful afternoon. Store the bread in a Ziploc bag to keep it fresh for a few days. This is how to make this easy banana bread. I hope you enjoy the video and give it a try. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and leave a comment if you like this video. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next time.